Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Students, today we are talking about two big things happening in India. How food prices are growing up and causing inflation, and an exciting new step forward for women in the Central Industrial Security Force, or CISF for that matter. So we'll break it down and we'll chat about it. All right. First, just look at this map carefully. Yes, as you can see, as you can observe the graph of this chart. Yes, you can observe this chart, right? So you can see that the graph here, you can see that it is rising, it's spiking, right? So there is an increase in something. Now let's talk about inflation. What is inflation? क्या है ये? Now you might have heard in the news many times कि inflation is high, inflation is increasing these days. But what this concept actually is? Students, have you ever gone to a store to buy your favorite snack and noticed that it suddenly cost more than it did last week? Or maybe your parents have talked about how things are getting more expensive. Now, that is inflation. When prices go up over time and we have to pay more for the same things, right? So now in India, food prices went up a lot in October. Okay, in fact, they went up so much that it's making everything more expensive. Okay, इतना ज्यादा इन्फ्लेशन हाई हो गया है, इतने ज्यादा प्राइसेस हाई हो गया है कि सभी प्रोडक्ट्स का जो रेट है, प्राइस है, वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. इनफैक्ट they went up so much that it's making everything more expensive. Imagine going to buy a vegetable or cooking oil, fruits, and realizing you need more money than you did last month. So this is what's happening in many parts of the country. Okay, the the inflation is there. Okay, and it's increasing. बढ़ रही है, महंगाई बढ़ रही है. Now the question is, why did food prices shoot up so much? So let's take a closer look. One big reason is the cost of vegetables. Okay, cost of what? Vegetables, sabziyan. Yes, vegetables. So what's happening? Vegetables price, the price of vegetables is, it went up by about 42.2%. Oh my God, 42.2%. Now, that's a huge jump, right? That's a huge jump. So let's say last month, if carrots cost 10 rupees, if carrots cost 10 rupees, okay, this month they might cost more than 14 rupees, more than 14 rupees. Okay, so that is what we mean by inflation. So the spike is by 42.2%, right? 42.2%. All right. And it's not just vegetables. The price of cooking oil went up too, which affects many food we eat because oil is used in cooking a lot of dishes, right? So let's pause for a quick activity. Imagine you are in the charge of a family budget. How would you handle things if the price of vegetables and cooking oil suddenly went up? Take a few seconds to think about it. Yes. So great thinking. This is a challenge for many families in India right now. Right? So the price of these vegetables, which is increasing day by day, it's affecting many people. Imagine the people who are living below poverty line. What about them? है ना? अब उनका क्या? Right? Now you might be wondering, why does this matter so much? When food prices go up, students, it doesn't just affect what we eat. It can also make other things more expensive. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि अगर सिर्फ खाने के प्राइस बढ़ रहे हैं या फिर वेजिटेबल के प्राइस बढ़ रहे हैं तो दैट्स इट, सिर्फ इतना ही है. नो, इट हैज यू कैन से स्पाइरल. बेसिकली एक चीज का अगर प्राइस बढ़ता है तो बाकी सारे जो उससे रिलेटेड चीजें हैं उनका भी प्राइस बढ़ता है. ओके जैसे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन और पर्सनल केयर आइटम्स लाइक सोप. So when prices keep rising, families may have to make tough choices about what they can buy. And this affects everyone, but especially people or especially families who are living in rural areas. Right? अब जो रूरल एरिया के लोग हैं, अब कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जिनके पास इतनी इनकम नहीं है, तो उनको सबसे ज्यादा अफेक्ट करता है. In fact, rural India is facing even higher inflation than cities right now. So, as per this news article, yes, rural inflation is higher than urban. Oh my God. Yes, the rural inflation is higher than urban. And in food prices, in October, food prices went up almost, by 11% in cities, right? But, this is there. Yes, inflation is there. So, what can be done? Yes, the question is, what can be done to help with this issue? See, Reserve Bank of India or simply RBI usually steps in when inflation gets too high. Like RBI is our Central Bank of India. Yes. What is RBI? Basically, RBI is our central bank, right? So, whenever there's this situation of inflation, RBI always steps in. But controlling food prices is tough because a lot of it depends on things like weather and crops, which can be a bit unpredictable. So for now, it's about managing resources carefully. And maybe next time you go shopping with your family, you will notice how they are making smart choices to stretch their budget a little further. All right? Now that we have covered, so now we have covered food prices and inflation. Let's switch gears and talk about something inspiring. This is about, yes, India's first all women battalion for the CISF. Yes, all women battalion for the CISF. Okay? तो क्या न्यूज़ है? Basically, the CISF or Central Industrial Security Force, this force is a special force in India that basically helps keep important places safe. तो जितने भी इंडिया के important places हैं, जैसे कुछ इंडस्ट्रीज इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं, एयरपोर्ट हो गया, राइट, बैंक्स हो गया, आरबीआई हो गया, तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस इंडिया के लिए. तो सीआईएसएफ का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है कि इन प्लेसेस को सेफ रखना. And these important places includes like I've mentioned airports, metro, railway station, and they even provide security for VIPs like important government officials. And usually CISF battalions are made up of men. Okay, they are made up of men with only a small percentage of women. ठीक है, सिर्फ स्मॉल परसेंटेज ही होता है विमेन का. बट नाउ फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ स्पेशल all women battalion. Isn't that amazing? Yes. So let's talk about what a battalion is. Yes, what is a battalion? Students, a battalion comprises nearly 1,000 personnel. Okay, so it comprises it is a group of around 1,000 trained personnel who work together to keep places safe. And this new all women battalion will be trained to do the same job as any other battalion in the CISF. They'll be learning special skills to handle everything from protecting airports to acting as commandos for VIP security. And this is a big deal. Why? Because it's a step towards including more women in roles that were mostly handled by men before. So, why is this important? Well, it shows that women can do any job that man can do, whether it's protecting important places or handling difficult security situations. It is also a great way to encourage other women and girls to think about careers in fields like security, defense, and law enforcement. Right? Now, imagine you are part of this battalion. What what do you think? What kind of special thing would you want to learn? Maybe something like martial arts, bomb detection, or even crowd control, right? So these are some of the skills the women in this battalion will be learning. Pretty cool, right? Yes. And this all women battalion is just the beginning. Right now, about 7% of the 1.77 lakh CISF personnel are women. But with this new battalion, that number will definitely go up. And who knows, maybe one day we will see even more women leading teams, protecting cities, and making our country safe. And students, one more thing. Yes, the Home Ministry of India. This is the uh, Home Ministry of India, basically like the head office for security matters. ओके, तो ये जो सारा जो आता है CISF, ये मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स के अंडर आता है. All right, and this ministry basically approved this battalion as a way to support and encourage more women in such important roles. And even our Union Home Minister Amit Shah also spoke about how important this is for India. All right. So today we covered two big topics: inflation in food prices and India's first all women battalion in the CISF. Both are important in their own way. Food prices remind us of how the economy can affect our lives, and the all women battalion shows us how society is changing to include and support more women in all kinds of jobs. Right? All right, students. So thanks for joining us today. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember, there's always more to explore about the world around us. Until next time, take care and keep asking questions. Bye for now.